Okay, in this video, I will show you how to load JSON data into your database table. For example, you have a JSON file in your server and you need to load that JSON file into your table. Go to the components. You need to use hierarchical schema and then create. Over here, you give a name. I'm going to give customer JSON 1. Okay. Now go to the upload, choose the file. My file is in the JSON folder and the name of the file is customers. Okay, now validate, click OK. Now save it. So you have to remember this part, the name of the schema you just created. Okay, now you go to the plus and new, go mapping, choose mapping. You should give a meaningful name here. Choose the source. So now for this, your source is going to be the location of the file. And I haven't created that one. So let's created it here. Actually, I created before, but I'm going to create from the very beginning again. New text file. All you have to write just path. You can write file path or path, whatever. Then go to the second line and you go to the folder first where your file is and look for the file. It should be customers right here. And go right click, copy as path, then go over here and Control V. All you have to do is delete the double quote, remove the double quote, and just file, save. And I'm saving it in a folder called file path. So I'm going to give a meaningful name here, file path. File path is going to be customer JSON 1. That's it. Now save it. So now our source in the mapping, we choose the connection CSV. It's a single object. Select. My file path is in the file path folder. So I'm going to choose this folder. And my file name was file path customer JSON. Yeah, this is the one. Click OK. Done. And now over here, because I'm parsing the data, right? So I'm going to use hierarchical parser. And it is for both JSON and XML. So bring it over here. Now, remember, I created a hierarchical structure. So I'm going to get that one. File, select, default, which folder I saved it. So I think this one, JSON 1. So select. Now, incoming field, it got disconnected. I will show you. See, the moment you connect hierarchical parser, it got disconnected. So you have to connect again. Now, if I go input field selector, I have input field here. Now I have to bring that in file path here, the one you created before. So you bring it over here, and that's it. Then field mapping, you have to click here and map all descendants. Okay, so you connect this one and you choose the root. Go to the target connection. Mine is Oracle database. It's in Aqua layer object. Mine is JSON, I think. JSON customer. This is the table I already created. Now I'm going to do truncate target. In case we have data, then it will truncate that data and load new data. So let's save it. Oh no, I have to do the field mapping. So it says manual, and over here is the auto map. So over here I'm going to choose smart map, and it does automatically for me. This is a cool feature in IICS. I really loved it. In project we have like sometimes you will face 150, 200 columns. So it's very difficult to do it in Power Center. But IICS is like you just hit auto map and it will do most of the hard work for you. So anyway, save, and then let's run it. Okay, it's successful. Now let's go to the table. Let's see. Yep, it's populated properly. Thank you for watching the video.